Hello and namaste to dear students and all our fellow viewers. You are once again welcome to Teach Nepal. I am Ramesh Adhikari. Today I am going to present you a new lesson of grade 12 compulsory English new course, that is literature part. And in this video I'll deal with the one act play of Matter of Husbands, and very soon we are about to upload many videos for the lesson. Dear students, let me start today's lesson. I hope you will watch the video till the end to get the complete understanding of the play. Before I begin, I'd like to request you all to subscribe our channel for many other videos and updates. Please don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get notified about our new videos automatically. Now, let's begin. First of all, let's discuss about the author. The author of the play A Matter of Husbands is Henrik Molnar, and he was regarded as the Hungary's most celebrated and controversial playwright. Being a Jew, he migrated to America to escape from the Nazi persecution during the Second World War. His famous plays include The Devil, written in 1907, and Lillian 1909, The Guardsman 1910, and The Swan 1920, and The Plays The Thing 1926. This one-act play is an entertaining play that focuses on the main function of the actor, that is to make the audience believe what is in fact not real. Now let's discuss about the characters of the play. The first character is the famous actress. She is an actress who is having an affair with the man who is a lawyer of her manager. And the next character is the earnest young woman, and her husband is having an affair with the famous actress. She goes to the famous actress demanding her husband back. And the next silent character is Mr. Alfred. He is earnest young woman's husband who had the affair with the famous actress, and he has a short role, but he the center issue in the play. Now the setting of the play. The setting of the play is the drawing room of the famous actress, and the time is during the late afternoon. Now let's discuss about the plot of the play. In the exposition of the play, we see the uh, earnest young woman comes to famous actress and asks her to give her husband back. And as the story rises, as the rising action, the earnest young woman says her husband has been in love with the actress, and he sends her flowers and writes letters. And as a climax, the famous actress weaves a story about the man is attempting to trick his wife to get more affection from her. And at the uh, play, as the story falls down, the falling action, the earnest young woman believes in the story made up by the actress and realizes her stupidity. Now she is happy that she has got her husband back and returns back home happily. And as a resolution at the end of the play, yeah, when the earnest young woman goes from her drawing room, then the famous actress asks Alfred to come out of the closet. Actually, he has been hiding there. And now let's talk about the summary of the play. A Matter of Husband is a one-act play composed by Hank Molnar, and it has only one scene and conversation between two women only, the earnest young woman and the famous actress. The earnest young woman comes to the room of the famous actress and asks her husband back. The famous actress replies that she has not taken her husband, she has met him though. अब यसको सुरुवात कसरी हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि एउटा अर्नेस्ट यङ वुमन फेमस एक्ट्रेसको चाहिँ कोठामा आउँछिन् र उनले चाहिँ मेरो श्रीमान मलाई फिर्ता देऊ भनेर भन्छन्। तर फेमस एक्ट्रेसले के भन्छन् भन्दाखेरि मैले हैन तिम्रो हस्बेन्ड लगेकै छैन, कसरी फिर्ता दिने, र म उसलाई चिन्छु भनेर भन्छन् भने हैन। She asks her for the justification for blaming her हैन के आधारमा तिमीले मलाई यस्तो चाहिँ दोष लगायो भनेर सोध्छिन् उनले young woman says her husband sends her flowers and has written a letter for her. She reads out the letter. उनले भन्छन् फुल पठाएको चाहिँ हैन मैले त्यो डेलिभरीको बिलहरू पनि पाएको छु त्यसै गरी उनले चिठी लेखेको छ त्यो चिठी पनि मसँग छ भनेर चिठी पढेर सुनाउँछिन्. Then famous actress says her husband has done the trick to get more affection from her. She convinces the young woman, adding that such incidents are common to the actresses like her. Many co-workers, even the boss, asks her for the favor to make their wives jealous. अनि उनले त्यो के भन्छन् भन्दाखेरि ए यो हामीहरूको लागि त्यो सामान्य कुरा हो यस्तो धेरैले गर्छन् होइन कहिलेकाहीँ हाम्रो बोसहरू अरू म्यानेजरहरू धेरैले त्यो कुराहरू गरिरहेका हुन्छन् हामीसँग चाहिँ श्रीमतीको होइन लाई जेलस बनाउनुको लागि तिनीसँग लभ एफेयरको नाटक गरिरहेका हुन्छन् उनीहरूले त्यो गर्नको लागि भन्छन् हामीहरूलाई भनेर भन्दै थिइन् उनले. The young woman realizes her stupidity and expresses her gratitude to the actress. त्यसपछि उनले पताउँछन् त्यो कुरा पताउँछिन् यङ वुमनले अनि त्यसपछि ए बेकार शङ्का गरेछु मैले भनेर उनी चाहिँ खुसी हुन्छन् होइन त्यसपछि चाहिँ त्यो एक्ट्रेसलाई उनले होइन धन्यवाद ज्ञापन गर्छिन् उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ किस गर्छिन्. As soon as the woman leaves the room, the actress calls Alfred and he comes out from the closet. त्यसपछि फेरि लास्टमा चाहिँ एउटा सरप्राइज हुन्छ त्यहाँ होइन चाहिँ सस्पेन्स प्ले जस्तो छ त्यसपछि ऊ गइसकेपछि बल्ल अनि उनले चाहिँ फेरि फेमस एक्ट्रेसले अल्फ्रेडलाई बोलाउँछ ल अल्फ्रेड आऊ अब तिम्रो श्रीमती गइसकि भनेर त्यसपछि बल्ल चाहिँ अडियन्सलाई रियलाइज हुन्छ यिनीहरूको चाहिँ रियल लभ एफेयर रहेछ भन्ने खालको कुरा. Now let's discuss about the analysis of the play. A Matter of Husbands is a very short play with only 2 characters. However, it reflects many facets of life. It especially depicts female psychology as well as their emotion. यसमा चाहिँ विशेष गरी फिमेलहरूको साइकोलोजी उनीहरूको इमोसनलाई यहाँ व्यक्त गरिएको छ. It also shows how innocent people are being cheated by cunning people. होइन सोझा मान्छेहरूले कसरी दुःख पाउँछन् भन्ने खालको कुरा कसरी सजिलै फसाइदिन्छन् होइन बाठा धुर्तहरूले भन्ने कुरा देखाएको छ. The young woman thinks her husband is making a drama to gain her love. She is worried and fearful about losing her husband but becomes very happy and satisfied in the end of the play. पहिला चाहिँ उनी चिन्तित थिइन् हैन आफ्नो हस्बेन्डको अर्कैसँग एफेयर भएको कुराले र यो चाहिँ उनी हैन पछि लास्टमा आएर उनी ह्याप्पी छन्. The film actress is very clever. She ensures her that her husband has a fake affair with her to get his love back. He wants to wake her love through the actress. हैन उ चाहिँ एकदम धूर्त छ त्यो एक्ट्रेस र उसले चाहिँ विश्वस्त बनाइदिन्छ उसलाई हैन यो चाहिँ त फेक एफेयर हो उसले चाहिँ हैन तिम्रो लभ जगाउन खोजेको मात्रै हो तिमीलाई जेलस बनाउन खोजेको हो भनेर चाहिँ हैन कथा बनाएर त्यो चाहिँ उसले पताउने खालको बनाइदिन्छ. The young woman falls into the trap of the actress and goes back home happily. She considers that her husband again come in her life, but in reality he has no love for his wife. He only cheats his wife. तर वास्तवमा त होइन हैन उनले जुन सोचेकी छन् उनले चाहिँ वास्तवमा उसको श्रीमानले चाहिँ उसलाई माया गर्दैन उनले चाहिँ धोका दिन मात्रै खोजेको हो. Eventually the audience come to know that she has told a lie with her. लास्टमा चाहिँ बल्ल अडियन्सहरूले थाहा पाउँछन् यो कुरा. She only wants to clear her way from the young woman. Now the young woman won't believe even if she finds more proof about the affair. अब उसले पताउँदैन भन्दा उनीहरूको बाटो क्लियर भयो अरू बढी प्रमाणहरू फेला पारे पनि यो चाहिँ मलाई जेलस बनाउन मात्रै खोजेको भन्ने उनलाई लागिरहेको छ हैन. The film actress and the lawyer are very happy and satisfied in the end of the play. There is no obstacle between them. The young woman also returns home happily. यो चाहिँ कथाको जेसुकै भए पनि हैन एन्डिङमा चाहिँ सबै ह्याप्पी नै देखिन्छन्. The play suggests that we should not blindly believe on others. We should investigate the reality ourselves. यसरी अरूले भनेका कुरा मात्रै पत्याउँदाखेरि दुःख पाइन्छ भन्ने खालको कुरा पनि यसले देखाउन खोजेको छ सजेस्ट गर्न खोजेको छ. That is the analysis of the play. Now let's go to the question answers from the textbook. The first question is, what favor does earnest young woman ask from the famous actress? उनले कस्तो खालको सहयोग खोजेकी छन् त earnest young womanले famous actressबाट. Earnest young woman realizes that her husband has fallen in love with the famous actress, so she goes to her to ask her husband back. The young woman thinks that the actress can solve the matter. What, according to the earnest young woman, are the indications that her husband has fallen in love with the famous actress? तो अर्नेस्ट यङ वुमनको अनुसार के कारणले गर्दाखेरि आफ्नो श्रीमान चाहिँ हैन फेमस एक्ट्रेससँग एफेयर छ उसको भन्ने कुरा लागेको छ. When the earnest young woman blames the famous actress for making a for taking her husband. The actress asks for the proof. The young woman says her husband sends her flowers. She has also found a letter written for her. She reads out the letter. Is honest young woman convinced by the argument of famous actress? How? उनले भनेको कुरा अथवा उसको कथा चाहिँ पताउँछिन्, कन्भिन्स हुन्छन् उनी फेमस एक्ट्रेसबाट कसरी भन्दाखेरि द अर्नेस्ट यङ वुमन इज फुल्ली कन्भिन्स्ड बाई द argument of famous actress as the young woman is happy and kisses the famous actress. She thinks she has got her husband back. Now, where is the honest young woman's husband hiding himself as they are talking about him? उसको चाहिँ श्रीमान कहाँ लुकेको थियो त उनीहरू कुरा गरिरहँदाखेरि भन्दा अल्फ्रेड the young woman's husband has been hiding in the closet. As soon as the young woman leaves the room, the actress calls Alfred and he comes out of the closet. When do you feel that famous actress is really good at acting? वास्तवमै राम्रो एक्टिङ गर्दै रहेछन् भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ कति बेला फेल हुन्छ हामीलाई भन्दा it is a suspense drama. We do not know the truth until the end of the play. We are also convinced that Alfred has been playing the drama to get loved from his wife. हामीलाई अडियन्सलाई पनि त्यही लाग्छ लास्टसम्म हैन र we are shocked when she calls out calls Alfred out. लास्टमा जब उनले चाहिँ श्रीमानलाई बाहिर बोलाउँछन् त्यसपछि बल्ल त्यो रियालिटी रहेछ भन्ने थाहा हुन्छ. How do we come to know that famous actress and the husband of earnest young woman are in love? At the beginning, the young woman complains about it. However, at the end of the story, when the famous actress calls the husband of the earnest young woman to come out, then only we come to know that they are in love. सुरुमा उनले चाहिँ त्यो कम्प्लेन गर्छिन्, त्यो कारणले गर्दा यिनीहरूको लभ रहेछ भन्ने लाग्छ, तर बिचमा फेरि होइन रहेछ भन्ने लाग्छ, र लास्टमा हुने रहेछ भन्ने कुराको चाहिँ कन्फर्म हुन्छ. Write down the plot of the play in a paragraph. यसको प्लटलाई चाहिँ एउटा प्याराग्राफमा लेख्नुस् भनेर भनेको छ. Earnest young woman comes to the famous actress and asks her to give her husband back. Earnest young woman says her husband has been in love with the actress. He sends her flowers and writes letters. Famous actress weaves a story about the man is attempting to trick his wife to get more affection from her. Earnest young woman believes in the story made up by the actress and realizes her stupidity. When the earnest young woman goes, famous actress asks Alfred to come out of the closet. That is the plot in one paragraph. That's the end of the story. Now, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any queries and confusion about today's lesson, please feel free to write a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.